In this video, we're going to talk about how to use brand collaborations to make money on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So over the past few months, I have received hundreds of comments and messages of people wanting to know how does brand collaborations actually work on Facebook and how they can make money with their page. Now here's a quick disclaimer. I don't actually make money from brand collaborations, which is basically brand deals on Facebook. A lot of people do brand deals on YouTube. They work with companies to promote products and services, and they get paid a very hefty fee for doing that. On Facebook, you now have the same option if your page has over 1,000 followers and you haven't received any violations to your page. You can also now apply for brand collaborations, which means you can work with the companies to promote their products and services. You can promote it via videos, posts, pictures, whatever it is that you wanted to use, and you can get paid for doing just one paid post. But Facebook has decided to launch this advertising marketplace for people who want to work with pages and influencers, and you can get matched with an advertiser, and you can come up with a deal with that advertiser to for a fixed fee. For example, you can create a post specifically where you can partner with that advertiser to basically promote whatever it is that they want you to promote. Now, the reason why I haven't made a video about this topic before is mainly because I don't personally use brand collaborations to make money on Facebook. My main sources of income when it comes to Facebook monetization are basically Facebook Instant Articles and in-stream ads. Now I do have multiple videos talking about Facebook Instant Articles, which you can go and watch here, and also in-stream ads. And these videos are going to explain to you the process of monetizing your content on your Facebook page to make money from Facebook itself without having to work with an advertiser to promote their products and services. And I believe this is the best way to monetize your content on Facebook, because you actually own your content, meaning that you decide how you're going to make your money by creating videos or publishing articles on your Facebook page, instead of just getting one fixed fee for promoting a specific product or service one time. So this is why I don't have any experience with brand collaborations, but I can tell you how you can qualify. And I believe right now Facebook Instagram ads is the best way to monetize your Facebook page, because it's in the beginning stages of monetization. So just think back to YouTube when it first started to launch monetization features and people were starting to monetize their videos on YouTube. Facebook is going through that exact same process right now. They're tweaking, they're fixing stuff, they're making it a lot easier for people to join the program and monetize their videos on Facebook. And so it's the perfect time to get in, mainly because now is the time to jump into Facebook monetization, learn how it works and how you can take advantage of this opportunity. Now, if you don't have a clue about building Facebook pages, growing Facebook pages, or monetizing Facebook pages, I do have some advanced training that can help you with Facebook Income School, which is a complete course on how to build, launch, and monetize Facebook pages with over 40 videos that can teach you how to do that from beginning to end. I also have a private Facebook group with over 100 students who are actually building Facebook pages, monetizing their videos, and making money from their content on their Facebook page. If you want to check it out, I'm going to put a link to that in the description below. All right, so let's talk about brand collaborations and what are some of the requirements that you need to meet in order to be able to work with brands and promote their products and services. So what I'm going to do is to quickly jump into my computer and show you what you need to know about brand collaborations. All right, so let's talk about the requirements that you need to meet in order to be enter into the brand collaborations marketplace, which means that you're going to be matched with advertisers willing to work with you and pay you to promote one of their products or services, where you can see all the information about brand collaborations. And I'm going to link to this page in the description below. Now, like I said, Facebook has multiple monetization methods. This is not the only one. So if you go to tools here, you'll be able to see the different ways to make money with Facebook right now. We just talked about in-stream ads, which is my favorite way to make money with Facebook right now, because it's very easy to build a page to 10,000 followers and then monetize your videos with in-stream ads. Then we have brand collaborations, we have fan subscriptions, and monetization tools applications. The one that's missing from this list is Facebook Instant Articles, which is something that you can do only if you have a blog attached to your Facebook page. Now, if you want to learn more about Facebook Instant Articles, I do have a couple videos in my channel that you can watch. But in the case of brand collaborations, it's actually a lot easier to meet the requirements that they need in order for you to apply and actually get accepted into the program. And what I mean by that is if you actually go and see some of the requirements that they are asking for in order for you to get accepted into brand collaborations, then you'll see that it's actually quite simple to meet those requirements. So I have a page here as an example that hasn't met any of the requirements because it's a test page that I basically use to create my videos and stuff. But basically you can see that the different types of monetization requires a different type of criteria in order to get monetized or get accepted into those programs. So in this case, for brand collaborations, if we just click here, that in order to meet the requirements to apply, you need to have at least 1,000 followers on your page. You need about 15,000 post engagements in the last 60 days or 180,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days or 30,000 1-minute views in the last 60 days. Now, this is only for brand collaborations. For Instagram, it's almost the same thing, except that you need, instead of 1,000 followers, you need 10,000 followers in order to get approved. So that is the difference between Instagram ads and brand collaborations. With brand collaborations, you only need 1,000 followers. With Instagram ads, you need 10,000. So you might be thinking, well, getting 1,000 followers in order to be accepted into the program and actually be able to work with brands and make money from deals is not a bad idea. And it's not. You can actually do that. But the problem with that is that you're going to need to get at least one deal per month or one deal per week. If you don't have lots of followers, you're going to need to get a lot of deals to be able to make any type of money. This is why instead of just focusing on getting your first 1,000 likes on your Facebook page, you should be focusing on growing your Facebook page as fast as possible within 90 days to get those 10,000 followers to your page so you can then monetize in many different ways, not just with brand deals, but you can also monetize now with Instagram ads, allowing you to upload videos and make money from your videos. So this is why I prefer to monetize my content on Facebook with Instagram ads and Facebook Instant Articles for niche pages. And if you're running an influencer page, if you're building your personal brand on Facebook, then brand deals make a little bit more sense for your page. But guys, this is just my opinion. Of course, if you're building niche pages right now and if you want to try to make money with brand deals, you're welcome to do that. Personally, I prefer to just use Instagram ads and Instant Articles as well as affiliate marketing to monetize my pages, but it is up to you. If you do try to make money with brand collaborations, do let me know how you're doing, how much money have you made in the comment section below. With that said, I really hope that this video was helpful and hopefully you understand the value of growing Facebook pages right now, because now you have multiple ways to monetize your content and make money as a full-time business for yourself, your family, just by using Facebook. So with that said, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.